Greetings, fellow chiropractors. This is the SQL version of how we are going to go about converting the rest of the way through ICD-10s. We've added some new A, D, and S codes to time-specific increments and things like that. The first thing that we need to do is first we need to get the SQL data in the database so it can be substantially faster when we're searching through 22,000 ICD-10 codes. So we will go into Setup, and then we will hit More Reg Visit, More Customizations, and then Convert to ICD-10s. It will say, import all codes to SQL database. This is going to put them all inside the database so it's faster to search. And please note, this only needs to be done on one computer in your network. Simply hit that button and pay attention to this. Please do not exit until it is finished. It's telling you the progress. These are all the different ICD-10 codes that are coming across. And up here at the top, we've got adding all ICD-10 codes to SQL. When it's finished adding all of the different ICD-10 codes to the SQL database, then it will go through and it will determine which ICD-10 codes you are going to have for the different types of things, such as cervical first choice, cervical second choice, Medicare first choice, all of those different items. So right now we just sit back and relax and let it do its thing. One of the things is I'm noticing some of these some of these codes that are ending in A, D, or S are flying across the screen, is that there seems to be a discrepancy depending on who you speak to, whether you should be using the A, the D, or the D to get paid. Some people are taking the wording to mean that A, when the codes end in an A, that is essentially like the AT modifier for Medicare. Other people are taking it to mean it's only the initial treatment and all subsequent treatments will then be the letter D. At this point, it looks like the A is the AT modifier, but nobody really knows, or at least nobody knows that could guarantee to me one way or another. Now we're finished adding all the diagnosis codes to SQL. Now we'll be able to search substantially faster. We hit the button that says calculate all the ICD-10s or ICD-9 codes that we've ever used. It goes extremely fast. And when we select something, if for some reason we do not get anything right here, we can always hit Other. Here we can search very quickly just by entering in a couple letters and just entering in the word migraine. Even though they don't have to start with the word migraine, it's able to determine if that's part of the diagnosis. And we pick the one that we like the best, and we hit Select. And then we go ahead and hit Save. Once we've gone through and we've created our entire crosswalk, you may want to go through and personalize your diagnosis codes for when we're ready to use the ICD-10s. This is done simply by selecting from Setup, personalize your DX codes, changing ICD-9 to ICD-10 in the upper right-hand corner, picking the category you want, such as cervical DX1. Here, we've got everything that we have. If we wanted to remove something, we can. If we wanted to add something to the list, maybe we'll just pick something that starts with the word cervical, maybe cervical rib, and we'll go ahead and throw that in there. And now we have cervical rib as part of this list as well. When we're happy, we just simply hit back, and that's it.